Today topic is matrix. So now we discuss about a matrix. So here it displays on the Power BI desktop. We can see here. So what is matrix? The matrix is a visual is simple as similar to a table. The matrix automatically the data and enables to a drill down. It can create a matrix visuals in Power BI desktop, reports and cross-highlight elements. Matrix can select rows, columns and even individual cells and cross-highlights. A matrix it is easy to display data meaningful across multiple dimensions. There are many features associated with a matrix. It calculates total and subtotal values in table of matrix. So now in a matrix chat, we should enter the data. So here get data. Sample data, open. So here table. So here the data is entered. We can see. So now we should enter into the matrix chat. First region, order date, and take a item into a columns. So it displays like a columns. And next total unit cost. So here we can see here order date, year, month. Matrix visual is a similar to a table and the data enables a drill down.